Hello again, this is Paul from EMD Automotive. Today I just want to show you what I've done on the front crank seal. This one was leaking from the previous video, as you can see. This is the brand new one, just fitted now. Just want to show you the one that was fitted before was flush with this engine cover here. But when you install a seal on a Cayenne or Audi or Volkswagen, they share the same front cover. You've got to actually move it, push it more than actually not flush. But you've got to push it down between 1 to 1.5 mil. And I'll show you what I mean. You shouldn't be sitting flush with this because there's a little, the cover is like a sort of like a tape it to the front, to the middle. So the actual part of the seal should start sitting there about 1 to 1.5 mil down in, not flush with this part here. And I'll show you what I mean. So let's have a look. Let's measure it. We'll start with this side here. 1.15. This side here. 1.19. This side here. 1. This side here. 1. So they're all about 1.1. It's just hard because I'm holding the actual camera, so I can't get it on the actual, the little dimple, the little spot there that I like to put the actual measurement tool on. Between 1 to 1.5 deep before you put the seal, before you actually put the crank harmonic balancer on. Alright, I'm going to wash it down and start assembling. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.